Hey guys, what's going on? Just here to tell you a little bit about a candle that I recently purchased. I'm obsessed with candles if you've seen my other videos, especially ones that really like the scent smell lasts a long time, and Yankee candle is probably one of the best, if not the best, brands of candles out there. They've gotten so popular for a reason. So just a little bit about Yankee candles. They have curated ingredients, so they have an extensive choice of seasonal and on-trend fragrances made with pure natural extracts from the finest ingredients around the world. They have natural fiber wicks that are made from 100% natural fibers. So this is great because a lot of times I'll buy a candle and like the wick will fall off, and it's just like it's cheap and it's not good quality. So the natural fiber wicks are definitely the best. Each wick is hand selected from over 150 varieties to ensure it delivers the best burn possible for each fragrance. And then the wax is high quality. Our premium grade mineral wax is blended with just the right amount of fragrance oil before undergoing a cooling and heating process that results in a unique mottled effect on the finished candle. So I think this is the medium jar, for example. So the medium is perfect. It's a medium classic jar. So the medium classic jar is just like perfect to me, perfect size. And then of course they have the large classic jar. So the medium, they make a large one too, but the medium burns 65 to 75 hours. It's 5 inches in height and 4 inches in diameter. It's a single wick, which you'll see. I'm going to open it. And the wax type is mottled wax, manufactured in the USA, and the weight is 14.5 ounces. So if you do get the large classic jar that it also comes in, that's going to be 110 to 115 hours of burn time. That's going to be a weight of 22 ounces, a single wick as well, and mottled wax and made in the USA. The medium candle, the dimensions are 4 by 4 by 5 inches, and the item weight is 2.25 pounds. So, and this is new all around it. I guess this is like a new scent from them because I'm like obsessed with Yankee candle and I've never seen this before. So you guys could see, I haven't lit this yet. So my friend actually got this for me for like a Yankee swap gift exchange, and she had it burning in her house the whole night. And like that's the kind of, I don't know if you guys have ever played it, but it's like the game that everyone opens like a Secret Santa kind of gift, and then you could like steal from people when it's your turn. So I literally hid this because I'm like, no one's stealing my candle. I want to keep this. It smells so good from like the moment you take the top off. It smells like Christmas. So this is the bottom of the candle, made in the USA with global components. Burn within sight, keep away from things that catch fire, keep away from children and pets, which I gotta keep away from my cat because she likes to jump on top of things. Burn on protected heat-resistant surface away from other heat sources. Remove all debris before each lighting. To reduce sooting, keep wick 1/8 of an inch at all times, including when relit. Avoid using in drafty areas. Discontinue use when a 1/2 inch of wax remains, as glass may shatter. Net weight 14.5 ounces, 411 grams. Burn time 65 to 75 hours. Plenty of time. And then we have the barcode here, distributed by the Yankee Candle Company Incorporated, 16 Yankee Candle Way, South Deerfield, Massachusetts, a subsidiary of Newell Brands. And then it has like the gorgeous red color, and then I like how the top has like, or I'm sorry, the label rather has like some like cookies. I guess they're supposed to be gingerbread cookies in the shape of snowflakes. So they're really cute, and it smells literally amazing. I feel like I smell some like cinnamon flavor in there as well, so that's really nice. And I like to just keep it on like my coffee table burning. I like it. My favorite is to just have these burning when like guests come over and then they walk in and they're like, oh my god, you know, your house smells amazing, and they'll like ask you about it. So the Yankee Candle medium jar is a perfect candle for enjoying your favorite fragrances in smaller spaces. Crafted of premium grade paraffin wax imported in the USA, these jars also make the perfect gift if you are willing to part with it. Which is why I guess my friend's husband bought two. One for the Yankee candle gift and then one for himself because he knew he was going to end up wanting it. So I really love Yankee candle. Yankee candles are amazing. So the fragrance for this just reminds me of pure like relaxation. It just smells wonderful. It has like a warm and inviting and welcoming smell to it. A little bit of spice, and like I said, I smell a little bit of cinnamon. It smells like a little bit like cookies. It literally just smells delicious. Perfect for dinner parties, lazy Saturdays. And once Christmas is over, it'll be great to use for the rest of the winter too, especially when you have company, because they're all going to want to know what you're burning and what smells so good. So guys, this was Yankee Candle Frosty Gingerbread medium jar. I hope you guys found the video useful, and I thank you so much for watching. Thanks guys.